I just want to make a quick little word about Adobe's app, Adobe Bridge. Because one of the things in the textbook, it talks about using Adobe Bridge to open things. And Adobe Bridge, it has to be installed. It's down here. And essentially, all it's used for is it's used to organize your pictures. Much the same as Lightroom does for you. Bridge has a bunch of different things you can do. Please notice down here at the bottom you can star stuff, you can make things different colors and all sorts of stuff like that. Basically the same as you can for Lightroom. It's really good for organizing your stuff, and what works best is when you have pictures on a server, you can have a whole bunch of people all together sorting through the pictures. And so if you've got 1,000 pictures to sort through, you can grab 3 people and sort through, pick the best ones out really fast. So that's certainly one of the reasons why we use it in portrait photography. Should you use it right now? No, don't use it. When in the textbook, when it tells you to use Bridge, don't bother. Just go to Windows or the Finder and open your stuff.